It's 5 minutes to midnight. Everybody come out.
Happy New Year!
Oh my God! OMG, that is Oslo, guys. Oslo is lighting up. We are watching from a distance. I'm so afraid. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God, it was so enjoyable. A good time. Unfortunately, it's so dark. So dark. I'll be running to you, running to you. And they call from Jericho. Hello guys, and welcome to our New Year's Eve party. Yay! Today is the 31st of December 2021, and I'm going to celebrate with my bestie. Yay! It's not going to be many people, we're just going to be 10 of us. Nothing fancy, but we are going to try to share with you guys. I don't know why my friend insists that we should have balloon. Maybe it's a birthday party. I'm not very sure. Guys, hang on. They don't know you can stop it now.
You're going to laugh. It's just what you call.
We are getting ready the starter.
Yeah,
Let's do it this. And we put it the shape, yeah? And you cut it in small.
We made a lot of good food, guys. We ate, we danced, we celebrated New Year for 3 different countries on the 21st. And the next day, guys, we were outdoors all day trying to burn down all the extra calorie we have added on that night. It was a very, very good celebration. We are going to be going on after just the children. After eating so much food yesterday, today we are just going to kill it. There. So, come on guys, let's go and do it. Look at this beautiful at the back there. Yeah. Ada. Oh. Noah.
Skal jeg dytte deg? Skal jeg dytte deg? Hva er det?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be, love with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Stephanie now.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We
Nina,
get
go the
this
brown.
out.
What the brown?
I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Bắt đầu buồn.
Ja, men jeg ser det. Sånn.
Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway. Bonnie and Clyde. That classic cliche.
Why is your foot not on top?
This is what we waited for.
It's going. Hold it.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
On top. Yeah.